All right, so guys, I had a couple people ask me to go ahead and finish off the rest of the problem. So let's go ahead and do that. So we came up earlier with our slope being negative 1/4. We want to find the y-intercept, the x-intercept, and then we're going to write the equation. Okay, so let's find the y-intercept. Now, if you remember, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, right? So it crosses the y-axis right there, and that would be, sorry about that, that would be the point 0,4, right? Okay, so before I find the x-intercept, and I know I'm kind of jumping ahead, but if you look at part B, it says, let's write the equation. Well, we know how to write the equation because we've talked about y equals mx plus b, right? And we just found our b to be the number 4, and earlier we had found m being negative 1/4. So if I were to write out my equation, I would end up with y equals negative 1/4 x plus 4. Okay, so now when we're going to find the x-intercept, remember the x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, right? And from my picture, I see that it's going to be way over there, right? Well, remember, when we find the y-intercept, the x value happens to be 0. Well, when I find the x-intercept, the y value is 0, and we're trying to find the value of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the equation that I have here, and where I have my letter y, I'm going to put the number 0. So 0 equals negative 1/4 x plus 4. When I bring this 4 across, it's going to become a negative 4 equals negative 1/4 x. To get rid of my negative 1/4, I can multiply by the reciprocal of negative 4 over 1 on both sides. I'm just going to put negative 4 here since I don't have a fraction. Now, remember what's going to happen. This 4 and this 4 are going to cancel. That 1 and that 1 are going to cancel. And a negative times a negative will give me a positive. So I'm kind of running out of room, so I'm going to put it right here. X is equal to, now negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16, right? So remember, what we just found is we found the x value when y was what? When y was 0, right? So the x-intercept is going to be 16, 0. We had found the y-intercept earlier, right here, to be, 0, 4. There we go. Okay, so here's my slope. Here's my y-intercept. Here's my x-intercept. And